Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install and configure MariaDB on Windows Server 2022. First, go to the MariaDB download page. Choose the appropriate MariaDB version and download the MSI installation file. Execute the installation file you downloaded. During the installation, you will need to select your configuration options. After that, finalize the installation process. Once installed, you need to configure MariaDB. To do so, you can edit the configuration file located in the MariaDB installation directory. Open this configuration file with Notepad or another text editor and make the necessary changes. You can start and stop the MariaDB service through Services in Windows. Open the Windows search box, enter the following command, and hit Enter. Locate the MariaDB service. Click on it, and select Start to initiate or Stop to halt it. Now, open the command prompt or PowerShell. Enter the following command to connect to MariaDB using the root account, and then input the root password you set during installation. Once the connection is successful, you can create a new database using the following command. Next, create a new user and grant permissions. After that, open Windows Firewall and allow port 3306 or the port you configured in the configuring file to enable remote access to MariaDB.